Here we have a pre-calculus problem. That is, we have to change the values of a and b so that the graph fits tightly within the given range. There is a graph given over here, and so the function is given over here. That is y is equal to a times sin x plus b. And according to the question, I have to change the values of the a and b over here, the given function, so that the graph given over here will fit tightly within the given range. Usually the range refers to the values of y for a function. So the range is given over here. There is 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 8. So the starting value of range, that is y is 2, it's over here. And the ending value of y is 8, that's given over here. So what we need to do is we have to change the values of a and b in the given function so that this graph will fit tightly within this given range. So what do we have to do for that? So for that, we have to find the value of a and b. So once we get the values of a and b, and we can use the slider over here to change the value of a and the slider over here to change the value of b, so that we can make this graph to fit tightly within the given range. Okay, there is a formula to get the value of a. So to get the value of a, what we need to do is we have to take the maximum value of range, and minimum value of range has to be subtracted from maximum value and divide the result by 2. Okay, so let's take the maximum value of the range, that is 8 over here, or you can even we can consider from the graph, that is the maximum value of the range is 8 negative, the minimum value of the range is it's 2 over here, or even we can get it over here, the minimum value of y over 2. So 8 negative 2 is 6 over 2, which will result 3. So we get a is equal to 3, and also there is a formula to get the minimum value of the b over here. So whenever a sine function is defined in this form, y is equal to a times sin x plus b. Okay, so to get the value of b, what I need to do is I have to take the maximum value of the range positive, the minimum value of range, and the result has to be divided by 2. So already we know that the maximum value of the range is 8, the minimum value of range is 2, and I have to divide it by 2. So 8 positive 2 is 10, 10 over 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so now I just have to change the value of a to 3 and change the value of b to 5, so that the graph given over here will fit tightly within the given range. Okay, now we can use a slider to change the value of a. So we have to change, already the value of a is 1 over here, so it has to be changed to 3, so that the graph, we can fit the graph tightly within the given range. Okay, now let me change the value of a from 1 to 3. So for that I have to move the slider to the right side. Okay, now I change the value of a to 3 over here. So now what I need to do is I have to change the value of b to 5. Already the value of b is equal to 0, so now it has to be changed to 5. Okay, let me do it. So use the slider over here to change the value of b to 5. Let me do it. Okay, I change the value of b to 5. Now look at the graph over here. So the graph of the function y equals to a times sin x plus b fits tightly within the given range over here.